Welcome to the video series of Azure Fundamentals. In this video, we are going to discuss about economies of scale. Now, economies of scale is the concept within economics that says that more that you purchase, the better your buying power, essentially. So if you were going to go to buy a million servers or a million hard drives, you're going to get the best possible price. And then you're going to be able to set that up your environment in a super efficient way. So Microsoft and Amazon and all these cloud providers have developed ways for them to have cheaper cost of running server than you can possibly ever do yourself for a single server or for even a few dozens. So that's the concept of economies of scale. When you get to something like that, then Microsoft can turn around and offer you a gigabyte of storage for, let's say, 2 cents a month. And you think, wow, how can they offer that for 2 cents a month? Or how can I get a server that is a Windows server from Microsoft for less than $20 a month? They do that because they have the economies of scale.